ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। Now we have to see from here. Aparna ji.
दुर्जन कन्या का अपहरण करता है। दुर्जनः कन्यायाः हरति और चली से हरति और
अपहरति।
अपहरति। अपहरति।
Is it Durjanaha or Durjanam?
दुर्जनः प्रथमा एकवचनं। Next one.
So is it Durjanaha Kanyam or Durjanaha?
We can use both. Shashti and Dvitiya.
Okay.
Next one. Anusha is there?
Amma is Edamma. Amma ennodamma?
12th.
11th I can say and Telugu. 11th one what I just said, BG or Anusha can say in Telugu. One of them.
I couldn't hear you properly.
Amma vaha balika ko adenamma? सा बालिकायाः कृते पुष्पाणि उपहरति.
What is that? Can you repeat again?
सा बालिकायाः पुष्पाणि उपहरति.
Vaha is not Visheshana for Kanya or Balika. Vaha means Saha.
Okay. सः बालिकायाः कृते पुष्पाणि उपहरति.
Krute, from where Krute has come? Krute, when we use Krute?
लेदम्मा सः बालिकायाः पुष्पाणि उपहरति.
It's Dvitiya. Here Shashti won't come.
Would it be Chaturthi because Kanya ko phool so Balika yai?
Chaturthi ke liye comes, right?
No. Even ko you're giving it to the Balika, right?
Giving it to Balika. So Balika is in Dvitiya.
అయితే బాలికామ్మ. बालिकां पुष्पाणि उपहरति.
Punaji, can we also say Kanyam because it is Kanya there?
Yes, yes. The another book Balika is there. Okay, next one. Prabhaji.
वह धर्म का उद्धार करे, सः धर्मस्य उद्धारं करोतु और
Uddharati.
ओके उद्धरति. सः धर्म, would it be धर्मम उद्धरति or धर्मस्य? धर्मम, right? धर्मस्य.
Dharmasya.
Two, right? It's a Lord.
Uddhar kare. Is this Lord?
Uddharet, I thought.
Oh, is it Lord?
Yeah, it's like
Yes, it is.
Kare, it's Uddhar Kare, so that's why.
No. Yes, yes. Lord.
Lord, right?
Uddhare. वह कथा कही. Okay, next one. Shivanand ji.
Malayalam.
Not there.
Not
Okay.
there.
Uma Amma.
Can I say it, Punaji?
Yes, yes.
वह कथा के वह कथा कहे, सः कथम उदाहरतु.
सः कथां कहे उदाहरतु. Is it Lord?
Yes.
Okay.
So
Next.
here it won't be Udaharet, it will be Udaharatu, whereas Uddhara is Uddharet. So there's a difference.
Is it Parasmay Padam, right?
No. Here, ut upasarga purvak, ang upasarga purvak, hru dhatu. Here, only ut is the upasarga. That is the difference. Here, uddharet and udaharet.
Is it Udaharet or Udaharatu? I heard Udaharatu.
Should be Udaharet, I think.
But both forms are there. Aparasmayapadi is there, Atmanepadi is there. We can use here Parasmayapadi we can use. He is telling, but he is not telling for his sake.
Okay, so then it will be Udaharatu also. Okay.
Udaharatu.
Okay.
So there Uddharet is, we can use Atmanepadi because it can be for his sake. Okay, next one. Uma Amma.
Okay, the next one is Vaha Satya Vyavahar Kare. Saha Satyam Vyaharati. But this is lot, so it is Vyaharatu or Vyaharatam. There is no Udaharet. I think there's Udaharatu or Udaharatam for lot.
For 14th one or 15th one?
So for previous one, which was, I don't know, 14th one, Udahr, there is, if it is Parasmaipadi, it is Udaharatu, that is correct. If it is Atmanepadi, it says Udaharatam. I didn't see Udaharet. Now for Vyavahara, I haven't looked it up, but it is, I'm assuming it will be Vyavaharatu. Sorry, Vyaharatu.
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 So another question.
Lot lakar al vidling use that is vyahara.
Vyavahara is different from Vyavahara, right?
Yes, Vyavaharatu, not Vyaharatu.
We, ava, both are should be there.
So Vyavaharatu.
What is the question, Prabhaji?
No. So in the 13th one, when we did dharmasya uddha, we said uddharet, right? So that is vidhilinga.
We can use vidhilinga also.
Otherwise, the lot should have been, yeah.
Lot and vidhiling both are same meaning.
So uddharatu also would have been correct.
Yes.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, next is 16th one. Upendraji is there?
No, he was just here.
I think he doesn't have signal.
Oh, okay.
Okay, next. Vijayaji.
वह असत्य न बोले सः असत्यम अव्यहरत
Why avyaharat?
न व्यहरत
Vyaharet. Har vyaharatu. If it is vidhiling, vyaharet. If it is lot, vyaharatu.
व्यहरतु
Na will be remain as na only.
Okay.
Next, Aparnaji.
वह पिता को मनाता है सह पिताम अनुनयेत
Manata hai is present, right? It says anunayati.
Yeah, we can also say anunayati, I think.
Yeah, there's no lot here.
Yeah.
No vidhiling.
No vidhiling, yes. Anunayati is. Okay.
Manata, they have given the meaning celebrates. But that meaning won't fit here. Okay.
Celebrates? Okay.
Ah. But
That
here,
in the context of Janamdin manata hai, that kind of manata.
Okay.
okay.
I didn't think like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one. Anusha.
सः रामस्य राम अभिनयति
Next one. Prabhaji.
This is numbers 19.
Yes.
Right. तू दुखों को दूर करता है अपनी. Okay. तू त्वम दुखा. So first it's a plural दुखों. So dukha, is it napunsaka or it's a pulling word, right? Or dukham, it is napunsaka. So dukhani, I think I had this yesterday. Tvam dukhani apani. करता है, so it's lat lakar. Apani, would it be apani yate or apani
Apanayati.
apanayate? Thank you.
అమ్మ ఇక్కడ త్వం వచ్చింది కదమ్మా అభినయసి ఇక్కడ త్వం వచ్చింది కదమ్మా మధ్యం.
Yes. Tvam apanayasi. Okay, next one.
Tu falla. Tvam phalam. Ana.
Anayasi. Anayatu. No, anaya. Madhyam purusha. Lot lakara. Anaya.
Anaya.
Next one. Uma amma.
गुरु शिष्य का उपनयन करे. गुरु शिष्यम उपनयेत. शिष्यम उपनयेत. Does that work?
Yes. Next one. Vijayaji.
అమ్మా కా మీన్స్ షష్ఠి వస్తుందేమో కదమ్మా శిష్యస్య రాదమ్మా.
Both we can use. Karmani shashti we can use, or karma also we can use.
ఓకే.
So here they have used karmani shashti. Next one, Vijayaji.
राम सीता से विवाह करे. रामः सीताया विवाहं करोत्.
How to translate this? Sita says in Panchami. What is the English translation?
Ram marries Sita.
Or gets wedded to
Wedded.
Sita.
You see,
Two. So the two comes there.
Two comes.
say, Ram say.
But it is not Panchami, right?
It should be Shashti actually, I think. Sita say, right? So that Sambandha is there with Sita. So Ramaha Sitayaha Vivaharet.
Isn't it usually Karna se? So that is Tritiya, right? Usually in Hindi.
Mm,
Karta ne karm ko karna se.
if
Huh.
you say wedded with, if you use with, then it becomes in the Karna, but it doesn't make sense for
It
wedding.
doesn't make sense for Karana, yeah. Sita say is Sambandha.
No, it becomes
Instrument will be there for Tritiya, right?
no. Saha is also Tritiya.
Saha.
Hmm.
Saha means
Along
with.
with. Right.
With. With.
Well,
It should be that way, Tritiya.
Sitaya then.
Right? I don't know. That's my take.
Sure.
Or Sita Saha, I can say.
No, Sitaya saha, right? And it is Vivaha kare, so it is let him or may he.
Vivaharet then, right? Yeah.
We can take it.
Parinati,
Yeah.
parinayati, Amma, parinayati.
We can take Dvitiya only. So we don't know if we take Tritiya to make the sentence. We just will keep it to Dvitiya.
Mhm.
What is the Vakya? Ramaha Vivaha.
Sitaya Vivaham Karot.
Sita is in which Vibhakti?
Tritiya.
Dvitiya we can take. What is the
Sitam.
Dvitiya?
Ramaha Sitam Vivaham Karot.
There is another word
Parinayet.
Parinayet. Next one, Aparna ji.
Kavi Pustak Rache. Kavihi Pustakam Rachet or Praneet. Pranayet.
Or Pranayatu. Both
Pranay.
can come. Next one, Prabhaji.
राजा विवाद का निर्णय करेगा. राजा विवादम निर्णयेष्यति. No.
Nirneshyati.
Sorry. Nirneshyati.
Poonaji, can we please, can you just tell me what 21 was? I couldn't hear that correctly. 21?
Guruhu Shishyam or Shishyasya Upanayet
Shishyasya.
or Upanayatu.
It can be Shishyasya only, right?
Shishyasya. Shishyam also we can use. Dvitiya also we can use. Shashti and Dvitiya both.
Vidya. Okay, that's what I wanted to clarify about that. Okay.
అమ్మ 24th ది వివాదక నిర్ణయ్ కరేగా అనేది ఫ్యూచర్ టెన్స్ లో వస్తుందమ్మా.
Hmm. Vivaha, Vivada.
विवाद
विवाद।
विवाद का निर्णय करेगा.
Hmm. Yes.
Yes, yes. This chapter is very simple. Shariram means body, Mukham means face or mouth, Vimanam, flight, Dhumrayanam is train. Now we can use whenever we want to use Dhumrayanam. In this chapter, Kru Dhatu is given means to do. Along with Upasargas, they have given Anu plus Kru means to follow. This Anunayati is also following. Anukru is also means to follow, but this is in Kriya. Adhikru means to authorize. Apakru means lagging. In Telugu, apakaram cheyadam. Adhikru means adhikarinchadam. Adhikaram. Alankru means to dress. Alankarinchadam. Avishkru. Avish plus kru. Invent. Avishkarinchadam. Upakru. Upakaram cheyadam means to do a favor. Tiraskru. Tiraskarinchadam, insult. Namaskru, namaskarinchadam, salutations. Samskru, samskaram, pure. Svikru, swikarinchadam, to take. Pratikru, pratikaram, to react. These are the meanings.
Poonaji, you said apakra means lagging. Is that what you said?
Slagging.
Oh, slandering. Okay.
S-L-A-G-G-I-N-G.
Say that again. Sorry.
S-L-A-G-G-I-N-G.
Acha. So that is same as burai karna. Okay. Thank you.
Any other meaning is there for that?
In Hindi, they said burai karna, which means to do ninda of somebody, right?
To criticize,
Yes.
Criticize.
So, is this meaning is not, slagging is not the related word?
No, slagging is the correct meaning, but that word is not used commonly. So that is why criticize is better, is more commonly used.
Okay, thank you. Okay, 1 minute, I'll join. So we don't need to, there are other meanings are there? Okay. Panchan, Shash, Saptan, Ashtan, Navan, Dashan. So all are Nakaranta Pullinga Shabdas. Shash is the Shakaranta. All other are Nakaranta. Prathamaha Visarga should be there. Prathamaha means first one. So Panchan, Shash, Saptan, Ashtan, Navan, Dashan, all these Shabdas are there in Bahuvachana alone. So it can be there in let us see in Strilinga it is there or not. Shirisha ji, I'll start share screening. Can you close it? Huh.
Oh, yes, I did.
Yes, thank you. Panchan, Shash, Saptan, Ashtan, Navan, Dashan. These are the numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So far we saw up to 4 Chatur Shabda. These all are similar Shabdas. Then Pratamaha means first one, Dvitiyaha second one, Tritiyaha third one, Chaturtaha fourth one, Panchamaha fifth one, Shashtaha sixth one, Saptamaha seventh one, Ashtamaha eighth one, Navamaha ninth one, Dashamaha 10th one. Dashamaha Asi. Dashamaha Asi. Dashamastwamasi. Not Dashamahasi. Dashamastwamasi.
Punaji, for Chaturtha,
Dashama.
in brackets, I don't know if for everybody in the PDF that I have, it says Bautha, but it should be Chautha, right? Bautha, how is it Bautha?
Chautha.
But in here, it's a typing mistake, I think. But
What is there?
in the PDF, it is given Vautha, Va. It should be
Va.
Chautha, right?
Yes. It is Chautha. Okay. We'll see. Kru dhatu we'll see. And we know when we add upasarga, it is similar.
One question, Purnaji. Where is Chautha? It says Chaturtha, right? Am I
Yes.
missing something?
In the brackets.
In the
next to
Chautha.
Chaturtha.
Yeah, it says Chautha. Correct.
That one.
Thank you.
Okay. This Kru dhatu we will decline, and we know how to add upasarga, and if we add upasarga, same form will be there, just upasarga we will add, that's all. So we don't need to decline all these. We have done practice in previous chapter. So we'll just decline only Kru dhatu for each lakara. Then we'll go to Panchan. Anusha, can you decline?
Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti, karoshi, kurutaha, kurutha, karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha. మా ఆత్మనిపదం కూడాను కురుతే కుర్వతే కుర్వతే కురుషే కుర్వాథే कुरुद्वे, कुर्वे, कुर्वहे, कुर्महे.
Next, Aparna ji. Rut lakara.
करिष्यति, करिष्यतः, करिष्यन्ति, करिष्यसि, करिष्यतः, करिष्यथ, करिष्यामि, करिष्यावः, करिष्यामः. आत्मनेपदं करिष्यते, करिष्येते, करिष्यन्ते, करिष्यसे, करिष्येथे, करिष्यध्वे, करिष्ये, करिष्यावहे, करिष्यामहे.
Prabha ji.
So lot lakar. Karotu, kurutat, kurutad. Kurutam, kurvantu. Okay. Kuruhu, kurutat.
Kuru only. There is no visarga.
Oh, sorry. Kuru, kurutat. Kurutam, kuruta. Kurvani. No, sorry. Kuravani.
Karavani.
Karavani, Karavava, Karavama. The Atmanepadi, Kurutam, Kurvatam, Kurvatam. Kurushva, Kurvatham, Kurudhvam. Kuruvai,
Karavai.
Karavai, Karavai, Karavavahai, Karavamahai. So all the Uttama Purushas are only Kara. Not
Here, who becomes Kar? Kru. Okay. Sarvadhataka, Ardhadhataka yoho. We saw this na. Anga will get guna. By that, here Anga gets guna. Rikara becomes Ar.
okay. Thank you.
What is the sutra here? Vaha, Maha is not there. Even in previous lakara it is there. Okay. Anybody remembers? Sakara gets lopa, like bhavavaha, bhavamaha.
So
In
that is tasthastha mipam tam tam tamaha. Ta, is it ta tam or tam tam? Yeah, tam tam tamaha. Is that right?
What does that sutra says?
Oh, no. Sorry. I read the wrong one. The sakarasya nityam lopaha is nityam gitaha.
Nityam nitaha. By that sutra here, visarga won't come. Vaha, Maha won't come, just Va and Ma. So, but the other sutra, tasthasthamipam tan tan tamaha, here tam, tam and tha. Three places, this change will come.
Thank you.
Also, there is, here Karoshi has come. Generally in Bhavati, in all other lakaras, only C is there. But here she is there. How she has come?
This is Adesha Pratyaya.
Okay. Next, Shirshaji.
Lang lakara.
Mm-hmm.
Akarot, akarod, akurutam, akurvan, akaroh, akurutam, akuruta, akuruvam, akurva, akaravam, akurva, akurma. Then Manipadam, akuruta, अकुर्वाताम् अकुर्वत अकुरुताः अकुर्वाताम् अकुर्वध्वम्
अकुरुध्वम्
अकुर्वी अकुर्वहि अकुर्महि.
What is the sutra for akara?
Is that the
Lung, lung, adhenamma?
she did lung, yes. Lung lung ring shwadudata.
Yes. Lung 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 shwadadattaha. Next, vidhiling. Did I explain any sutra for that yakara? I think I did not. Okay. Uma amma?
Okay. Parasmai padam kuryat, kuryatam, kuryuhu. Kuryaha, kuryatam, kuryata. Kuryam, kuryava, kuryama. Atmane padam kurvita, kurviyatam, kurviran. Kurvithaha, kurviyatham, kurvidhvam. Kurviya, kurvivahi, kurvimahi.
In this, there is, if you notice that, bhaved, bhavetam, bhaveyuhu. There, yakara has not come. We finished. Okay, here also, Yasut Agama will come, but it gets lopa. Ya will change into iya. Okay, I should not get it. Next one, Panchan. These shabdas are very simple. It's only Nakaranta Pullinga, Nitya Bahuvachanantaha, Annanta Shabda. Next, Vijayaji.
पञ्च पञ्च पञ्चभिः पञ्चभ्यः पञ्चभ्यः पञ्चानां पञ्चसु हे पञ्च.
Next, Shash. Next, Anusha.
Shad, shat, shad, shat, shadbihi, shadbyaha, shadbyaha, shannam, shannam, shatsu, shatsu, shatsu. He shad, he shat.
Next, Saptan is similar to Panchan. Aparnaji.
सप्त सप्त सप्तभिः सप्तभ्यः सप्तभ्यः सप्तानां सप्तसु हे सप्त.
Next, same Ashtan Shabda. Prabhaji?
So ashta, ashta, ashtabhihi, ashtabhyah, ashtabhyah, ashtanam, ashtasu, he ashta.
Next, Shirshaji, Navan Shabda.
Navan, Navan, Navabhihi,
Nava, Nava.
Nava, Nava, Navabhihi, Navabhyah, Navabhyah, Navanam, Navasu, He Nava.
Next, Umaji, Dashan. Dashan.
Dasha, Dasha, Dashabhihi, Dashabhyah, Dashabhyah, Dashanam, Dashasu, He Dasha.
Okay. Next, so we finished the Shabdas. So all are only Napumsaka pulling, not Napumsaka Langa. Nakaranta Pullinga Shabdas. From Panchan to Dasha Pullinga. This niyama we have already seen. In Lang Lakara, Akara will come. That Akara will come before Dhatu and after Upasarga. First Upasarga will come, then Akara will come, then Dhatu will come. In this order it will come. So we have seen that we, if it is we and hr, we, hr.
Vyahr. Sorry, I missed.
We, hr, vyaharat. Right? We, vya. Hr dhatu harat. Vyaharat. If we use ang upasarga, then it becomes vyaharat. Ang upasarga and akara, which is lang lakara akara, both get akara and akara gets akara, then vyaharat. Sutra just now we saw lung 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 shvadudataha. By that sutra, this akara comes. Like some upasarga purvak a and harat, samaharat. Vi a upasarga purvak harat vyaharat, pra aharat praharat, like that. Next, adadi gana. There are 10 ganas. Gana means conjugation. First gana is vadigana. This is adadigana. Second gana is called adadigana. When it is said vadigana, adadigana, vadigana means starting with bhudhatu. In that gana, all other like bhu kind of dhatus will be there. Like we saw pat dhatu is same gana. Bhu, pat, khad dhatu, all are vadigana. So this is adadigana. In adadigana, it starts with as dhatu. I think so. not as a adhatu. In this, lat, lot, lung, on, vidiling in all these lakaras. So we are seeing only 4 lakaras. So they have given only 4 lakaras. This vikarana pratyaya won't come. We saw in previous chapter. For vadigana, there is vikarana pratyaya. What is that vikarana pratyaya?
Shap, it was something.
Kartari shap.
Shap is the vikarana pratyaya. With this sutra, kartari shap, we have used that shap vikarana pratyaya. In this gana, it won't come. That there is no vikarana pratyaya for adadigana. It is just as it is. How it is that we will say. Actually, they have not given adadigana dhatus at all. But they have introduced adadigana. They have just introduced as niyama, but they have not given. Next, sasa jusho ruho. Everybody knows this sutra? Did I explain? Saso jusho ruhu. This is the Visarga Sandhi Sutra. Padanta sakarasya sajush shabdasya cha rutvam bhavati. If there is a padanta sakara, then that sakara will change into rukara. Ramas is the shabda, Ramas is the pada. How Ramas becomes pada? Is this Rama pada?
Pratyaya.
That is pratyaya.
It is not pada. When we add supratyaya, then it becomes pada. In this, pakara gets lopa by which sutra?
It sangyavan. It lopah or?
It sangna by which sutra?
Halantyam, right?
Halantyam. By halantyam, it gets its sangna, and it gets lopa by
Tasya lopa.
tasya lopa. Halantyam tasya lopaha. So it is lopa. Then Rama plus this su is there. This ukara is anunasika ukara actually. We should use anunasika. This will get lopa. This will get itsangna and lopa. Upadeshe ajanunasika it. By that sutra, it will get itsangna and lopa. That ukara will get itsangna and lopa. Upadeshe ajanunasika it and tasya lopaha. So by this sutra, it gets itsangna, and by this sutra, it gets lopa. Ukara. Then we have to add together Ramas. Now this is called pada. Without even this is not called pada. When we add sakara with Rama, then only it is called pada. Now this sakara is padanta sakara. Padanta sakara will get rutva, rukara by sasojusho ruhu. Again, ukara get itsangna by upadesha jaranasika it tasya lopaha. Then rakara gets visarga by kharavasanayor visarjaniyaha. Did we see in this text, this sutra kharavasanayor visarjaniyaha? So at the end, if there is khar pratyaha, if padante vidyamanasya refasya. Okay, refa is the anuvrutti. Samhitayam khar varne pare athva avasane pare visarga adeshaha bhavati. So when it is here we can take Shweta Ketur. Padanta refa will get visarga by Karavasanayor visarjaniyaha. So our current sutra is Sasujusho Ruhu. This sakara will get rutva by Sasujusho Ruhu. Then that rakara will get visarga by Karavasanayor visarjaniyaha, because padanta refa. Avasana means at the end. If at the end of the pada there is refa, then that refa will get visarga by this sutra. Karavasanayor visarjaniyaha. Then Ramaha, it becomes Ramaha. Also, another point in this sutra is Sajush Shabda. This Sajush Shabda, Shakara will get Rutva. Sajuru, that much. Then if sorry, it is all Saj. It is only for Sajush Shabda, not for any other Shabda. Sasajusho Ruhu. Then Sajuhu, it will become Sajuhu, like previous one. Shivas is there. Padanta Sakara gets Rutva. Ukara. Shivaru. Then Karavasanayor Visarjaniyaha. Shivaha. It becomes Shivaha. Okay, next sutra they have given Adorora Plutada Plute, that we will see in next class. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Prabhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.